Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to use Microsoft's PowerPoint Eyedropper tool for color matching. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So here in this slide I will basically insert a shape. I will insert this rectangle or square, you can say, here. And now basically let's suppose that if I want to change the color of this box here, let's suppose that I want this color here. So what I will do is that I will click on this icon where it says shape fill, and here you can see that we have this eyedropper tool. Okay. So we will just select this, and now basically what we are going to do here, we will take this pen onto this basically we will take this pen onto colors here. Let's suppose if I wanted to add let's say what we are going to say, let's say that if I wanted to add this color here, I will select this, and now you can see that the color of my box is changed to this. So similarly, click on eyedropper, and let's suppose I wanted this color. I will click on this, and here you can see that it is changed. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.